Well, hello. This is like number 3 video. We're still working on this thing. That last video, when we turned it, the markings on the chain were different, but we watched another video. Imagine that. And we have discovered that I guess we need some light. Let there be light. And there was light. And the light was hot. Yeah, we're going to have some light now. There you go. We have light. Okay, so we rotated it down here off of this twice. And he said when this lines up down here, top dead center, that you're looking at these marks, and as you can see, they're pretty well lined up. So we're going to actually crank this thing over 2 more times. Let's start our cranking.
Oh, what fun.
So we're going to bring this around and see what it does. You can actually put your fingers over this, and now it's actually doing the compression. And then it comes back up and you start feeling the sucking motion of it. And now you should have the compression blow out the other side.
Alright, that's one.
Okay, that's one. Alright, so I can feel the air coming out right there. Line it up.
And two. Right there.
Okay, and again, on doing this 2, we're again lining up down there, and if we did this right, we'll come up and, you know, that's almost there.
They're still lined up.
So they're still lined up there.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk about it and see, actually start putting the other parts on this thing. Got the valve cover around here somewhere. And our Missy.
There's the front case.
Yeah, we'll start working on this part, putting it together and all that. So hope you like the video, and I hope this thing runs when we get done. Otherwise we'll turn and get it down again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.